I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and immediately accessing the built-in tools. Update to the latest iOS so reporting is accurate, then plug in a reliable charger and bring the battery to around full charge. This stabilizes readings. Once done, go to Settings, Battery, and tap Battery Health. You'll see maximum capacity and peak performance capability. These are the raw readings we'll use. Make sure background apps are closed so values are not skewed by sudden load. Now you analyze the key metrics and extract the numbers you need. Maximum capacity gives a % of original capacity. Note that %. For cycle count, go to Settings, Privacy Analytics and Improvements Analytics Data and locate logs, or run Apple Diagnostics, or use a Mac utility to report exact MA and cycle count. Once you have % and cycle count, you can compute degradation rates and compare against Apple's threshold of 80% for normal performance. Finally, calculate battery health and take action. If you have current capacity in MA, divide it by the phone's design capacity and multiply by 100 to get health %. Otherwise, use the maximum capacity % shown. Once done, enable optimized battery charging, monitor trends weekly, and plan replacement if under about 80%. If numbers look inconsistent, force restart, update iOS, or run Apple Diagnostics. If still off, contact Apple support for an accurate hardware test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.